that. Find the smallest number which, when divided by 57, 76 and 90, leave the remainder 10 in each case. Option A 1120, option B 1150, option C 1130, option D 1170. The first LCM 57, 76, 190. (19), 3 19 57, 4 19 76, 10 19 190. 2 3 2 5 into 10 5. So 19 2 2 2 2 into 2 into 4 into 5. The 12 into 19 into 5 plus 10. The multiply 12 into 5 60, 16 into 90 1140 plus 10. The answer 1150, option B. Answer B 1150. তো তোমাদের